This is the LeadNear 10-inch LCD writing tablet. This is a fun doodling tablet with lots of benefits. This LCD board is fun, has a replaceable battery, is able to be locked, and won't harm the eyes. There is even an included drawing booklet with step-by-step instructions. This is a very safe tablet for most ages.
Inside the box, there was a drawing booklet which held the instructions or directions to draw specific things. It goes from fruits to animals, even all the way to dinosaurs. And then we have the tablet. This is the pen that it goes along with. You can use even the slightest amount of pressure to get a nice line. We press this here to erase it all. And then the lock button on the back here. Lock, unlock. If I lock it, I can draw on it, but I can't erase it. You can use this in case you're like me and accidentally press it on a piece you've been working really hard for. I will now draw some of these pictures.
Thanks for listening and watching our video. This is the LeadNear 10-inch LCD writing tablet.
If you like what you see, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.